Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to password protect or secure a PDF file. So, you have to do it in online. Okay, I'll show you how to do it in smallpdf.com. So make sure you have internet connection. Okay, now here you can see I'm just going to small PDF and the website, and here you have to click see all PDF tools. Now scroll down and here you'll be able to see protect PDF. So you have to click on that and you have to drop your PDF file. Okay, now here you can see it's telling me to choosing my password, so I'm just choosing my password. Okay, you have to repeat your password. Now here you can see your PDF is in encrypting. Okay, now let me just download this. Now here you can see that PDF is downloaded, and if you want to, if this download don't start immediately, what you can do is you have to click on that download and your file will be downloaded. Now here you can see if I try to open this PDF, it's telling me to give that password, and let me show you. If I give my password, it will be open. Okay, so if I give wrong password, it will not open. So let me try to give my password. Okay, now here you can see as I give the correct password, it's open right now. So that's how you can password protect a PDF file. Okay, I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.